For top-notch Slider Windows Sanford, Florida, our expert team provides unparalleled service. Specializing in energy-efficient windows. We ensure your home stays comfortable year-round. Our window replacement services in Sanford are designed to meet your specific needs, offering custom window solutions that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Residential window replacement in Sanford is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your home. Our skilled technicians handle everything from window frame replacement to window glass replacement, ensuring your windows are in perfect condition. For commercial window services in Sanford, we offer comprehensive solutions tailored to your business needs, including double-pane windows for enhanced insulation. Slider Windows Sanford are a popular choice for homeowners seeking to blend indoor and outdoor spaces. Our window maintenance services in Sanford, Florida, include regular inspections and replacements to keep your windows operating smoothly. Window sealing services in Sanford are essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Insulated windows in Sanford, Florida provide superior thermal performance, reducing energy costs. Our vinyl window installation in Sanford offers a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners. We also specialize in window hardware replacement in Sanford, ensuring all components function correctly. Window screen replacement in Sanford, Florida, is vital for keeping pests out while allowing fresh air in. Our window tinting services in Sanford offer privacy and UV protection, enhancing your home's comfort. Window weatherproofing in Sanford is crucial for protecting your home from the elements. For reliable window leak replacement in Sanford, Florida, our team quickly identifies and resolves issues to prevent further damage. Our window caulking services in Sanford provide a tight seal against air and water infiltration. Window glazing in Sanford, Florida enhances the appearance and performance of your windows. Window lock replacement in Sanford ensures your home remains secure. Our window sash replacement in Sanford, Florida restores the functionality of your windows, allowing for smooth operation. Window track replacement in Sanford is essential for sliding windows and doors to function properly. Window cleaning services in Sanford, Florida keep your windows sparkling and clear, enhancing your home's curb appeal. For expert Slider Windows, Sanford, Florida, trust our experienced team to deliver exceptional results. Our energy-efficient windows in Sanford are designed to reduce energy consumption and improve comfort. Sanford window replacement services offer a wide range of options to suit your style and budget. Custom window solutions in Sanford provide personalized designs that meet your unique requirements. Residential window replacement in Sanford is handled with precision and care, ensuring long-lasting results. Commercial window services in Sanford cater to businesses of all sizes, offering solutions that enhance security and energy efficiency. Double-pane windows in Sanford, Florida are an excellent choice for reducing noise and improving insulation. Window frame replacement in Sanford addresses structural issues, ensuring your windows remain sturdy and reliable. Sliding glass doors in Sanford add elegance and functionality to any home. Our window maintenance services in Sanford, Florida include cleaning, replacements, and inspections to prolong the life of your windows. Window sealing services in Sanford are essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment.